Hey guys, Cardinal Sin here, sharing with you the manual for the Towerhawk 1202X. This is to help make your Amiga 1200 into a full-blown desktop computer. And it shows you how to do that. Of course, you have to have a box. And there's all kinds of interesting stuff in here. And it's in both English and German. So, pretty cool. Now, if I could ask you a favor, please like, share, and subscribe. And share the link out with some friends who might be into Amigas. And that'll help my channel grow and also help me bring you more interesting stuff to share. Anyway, that's it for today. So it's Cardinal Sin, out.